Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this super cute blue car with 4 adorable cats inside and a big fish on top. How fun is that? Let's start by drawing the shape of the car. Grab your pencil and let's get started. You're doing such a great job. Now, let's add the 4 cats inside the car. First, draw the cat driving, and then the 3 other cats sitting in the back. Don't forget to add the big fish on top of the car. Almost done with our outline. Now it's time to color. Start by coloring the car blue with the yellow wheels, and add the cute paw prints on the side. Then color the cats. Make the black cat gray, the white cat with pink cheeks, the orange cat, and the gray cat gray with white accents. The fish on top should be yellow. You're doing amazing. Keep going. Look at that! The cats are ready for their fun ride in the car, and the fish is looking great on top. You did such a wonderful job today. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master artist in no time. See you next time for more fun drawings. Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this adorable bear riding in a blue car with a big jar of honey on top and a bee friend. Isn't that just too cute? Let's start by drawing the car shape. Grab your pencil and let's begin. You're doing amazing! Now, let's add the bear sitting in the car. And don't forget to draw the honey jar on top of the car. We're almost done with the outline. Just a few more lines to finish. Now for the fun part, coloring. Let's start with the car. Color it bright blue with the yellow wheels. Then, color the clouds on the car white. The bear should be brown with pink cheeks, and the honey jar should be yellow with honey written on it. The bee can be black and yellow. Keep going. You're doing a fantastic job. Look at that! Our bear and honey-filled car are all finished. You did such an amazing job today. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. See you next time for more fun drawings.